What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Starting this video on the road. Going to a car meet today with the homie. Some of you guys might remember him. He used to have the R32, a gray R32 that used to be on my channel a lot. It's him. He got a Z06. And yeah, we're going to a car meet. Let's see how tonight goes. That thing sounds sick, dude. Met up with some other homies. Let's go. Got a slam Camry. That thing is pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. To the spot. There's a few costs, but I think it's regulated, so it's pretty dope. So this is actually a meet for two fellow car enthusiasts that actually passed away recently. Rest in peace to both of them. My condolences and my prayers go out to the families. It's amazing to see what the SoCal car culture could do for two fellow car enthusiasts. This thing is packed, dude, and it hasn't even started yet. It starts at, I think, like 9:30, it's 9:16. I've been looking for parking for legit, like, what has it been, like 20 minutes? This is the most packed meet I've ever like been to, bro. It's insane. Shout out to the homie right here. He's moving his car a little bit forward so I can fit. I'm gonna park with a few Z's, so. And I'm literally parked right in front of the homies that I rolled with. So yeah, it'll be cool. It's a good spot. Parked next to a few Z's. This is clean, dude. That's cool. That was cool then, though. They moved that white Z. They didn't have to do that. Let me in. Got this sick ass white body one. Big Wayne gang. Then we got this really clean yellow 370. This thing is nice, bro.
I didn't bring my camera.
Very, very nice. Parked so far from the where the actual like main area is at. And we got here early, guys. We should have got here like at 7. We should have skipped the gym and actually just came here first. This Super right here literally has my old wheel set up. Well, my front and then my old welds in the back. I think it's clean, dude. And he has a Tome. Oh, look, a GT500. Crazy cars right here, guys. Oh, there's a baby. Then we got this clean Mark 5 right here. Carbon fiber hood. Work wheels. Sheesh. Thing's nice. Oh, this should be simple but clean, bro. Oh, this is really nice. What the? We got a 370Z right here with the hood exit. Sick ass fool. This color is super clean. Must be nice. All black GTR. Clean. I wonder what these people at these apartments are thinking right now. Literally, I'm trying to sleep for work tomorrow. All these freaking youngsters in their cars. Tóxica pero hermosa. Bro, no way. There's our Cheetos right there. You guys, you know the stereotype where it's like Like those girls that yuck. Dude, this GTR is literally perfect. Are these Advance? I think they're Advance. This thing is beautiful, bro. Perfect, bro. Well, that's one way to park, I guess. My next car when I get back from vacation, M340i. What do you guys think? What do you think, Eric?
Yes, definitely.
I want one, bro. If I keep the Q50, I kind of want to wrap it in red like this. This thing is clean, dude. I don't know what I want yet. Got a freaking Supra? What the parachute? What the? Safe to say you got me. Super sick R33. And an FD over there.
He's got the 360 camera.
Yeah. Super clean, dude. Must be nice. Got a white body right here. Another one. Bro, that is... Now the revving begins, bro. Bro, after like they weren't playing with the extra price today. We came to Cane's. We come outside, bro. There's a car meet. GTR pulling up. Got some Subies over there. It's crazy, bro. A lot of people from the meet actually came over here. Thing's clean, dude. The homies that we rolled up with, Jimmy Z06. I think it's actually for sale too. This dude be buying so many cars like crazy. The homies GT350. This is probably my favorite sounding V8, bro. Sounds so sick, bro. The homies GTI. Nah, just kidding, to go far. Hella cars pulling up randomly. The fuck is crazy. Sheesh, homie pulled up in the Maybach, bro. Oh, look. Let's see. One, two, three.